Hello YouTube, today we are going to see 5 different ways to swap the value using C language. Yes, I'm right. There are 5 different ways you can swap your values in C. The very first way is to use a temp variable or another variable. Suppose if I'm having a equals to 5, b equals to 10, I can use third variable, let it be C. I can interchange a value from a to b, b to c, and I can have the final output. So the flow is in this way. This is the most simplest technique that we have ever used. Second way is without using a temp variable or a C variable. You can have it by using an arithmetic operators. So what I can do is, suppose my value of A is 5 and B is 10, so I can add them. A will be 15. The very next step, B is equals to A minus 5, so we had A is equal to 15. 15 minus, what is the value of B? 10. So 15 minus 10, it becomes 5, so B will get 5. Similarly, A is 15 minus 5, so the value is 10, so we get an interchange value. The third approach is using an XOR operator, that is a bitwise operator. You can XOR the value. So the truth table for the XOR is quite simple. If both the value are same, either 0 0 or 1 1, the value will be 0, else it will be 1. So I am having A is equal to A XOR B, B is equal to B XOR A is equal to A XOR B. So the flow is in this way. Suppose if I am having A, so the binary value will be 0 1 1. Similarly, I am having B, the binary value will be 1 0 1. I can have an A XOR B, so value of A becomes 6, B becomes 5. Similarly, I can have B is equal to A XOR B, same I can have 6 3. Finally again A XOR B, so it becomes 5 and 3. So this is how you can use the XOR operator. The very fourth technique is that you can have a shorthand, which is the most efficient technique. What you can do is that you can use a assignment operator, that is A XOR equals to B, B XOR equals to A XOR equals to B. It means that the precedency will be evaluated from right to left, so it is quite similar to that of third approach, but the difference is that first of all it will start from this. So it means that A is equal to A XOR B. Next it means B is equal to B XOR A. Next it means A is equals to A XOR A, which is quite similar to the third one. The fourth approach or the fifth approach is using a one line statement or using arithmetic operation in a one line statement. So the fifth operation is that what you can do is that you can have A equals to A plus B minus A equals to B. Now as we know, the precedency of the brackets is the highest, so the first evolution will be of braces, the expression that are in curly, round brackets. So the value will be A is equals to A plus B. So first A plus B, that means suppose if I consider A equals to 5, B is equal to 10, the answer will be 15. Next we are having A equals to B. Next we are subtracting it. The final output will be the A equals to 10 and B will be 5. This is how you can evaluate it. So the flow is quite simple. You can have in one hand. The most efficient but all from this is the fourth approach. Thank you, and please keep subscribing to my channel.